What's going on, world? This is Sekou Tyler, and I am checking in, and I will be showing you how to use field parameters in Power BI. In June, Power BI released field parameters, and I finally have a chance to sit down and actually check them out. So if you're coming from Tableau, then you're used to using dimensions, categories as parameters. But now you have similar capabilities in Power BI without having to create a disconnected table and using a lot of switch statements. So in Power BI, there's a lot of documentation, a lot of stuff that you can follow through. There's a lot of things that people are doing in the community with this. It's a really cool update that came out. So highly suggest checking it out. Also, my bro Spencer created a Workout Wednesday challenge on this topic. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to actually use the field parameters going through the Workout Wednesday example that he put up. So also, shout out to everybody who's doing the Workout Wednesdays, all the leaders who are creating the content and the challenges. If you're unfamiliar with Workout Wednesday, definitely check it out. They have Tableau and Power BI challenges, and there's just a lot of good challenges in here in order for you to get better. So check it out if you haven't looked at Workout Wednesday. There's a lot of good stuff in here. But for this one, I'm going to look at 2022 week 21 Power BI field parameters. This is a report we're going to recreate, and then here are the requirements. So I'm not going to walk through it. You can go on the website yourself and check it out. But to start off with, let's get into Power BI. So we're going to Power BI. I'm already connected to the data source that I need. So if I go in here, if I look at modeling, and if I select new parameter, what you originally would see was a numeric range. So before this update, all you saw was just a what if parameter. But now you have numeric and fields. So the newest update is fields. And if you come in here and you select fields, we are looking at the fields that we want to select. And then we can give it a name. I'm just going to leave the name as parameter. But now if I go in here, I can select the fields that I want to go in my parameters. So based on the challenge, I need to have segment, region, category, state, subcategory, subcategory, and city. So now if I select that, we see that now I have a new table in here that is parameter. If I go into the actual DAX that it's doing, we see that the naming convention is based on a name category. But if I want to change the naming to say all of these be uppercase, I can come in here and select and change the name piece here, region, take out this underscore, et cetera, et cetera. So your naming convention is all in the red, and that's what it will look like when you use it as your slicer. And this is what it looks like now. So now the challenge itself is we need to create a measure that is doing margin percentage. I already created that for you, but basically we're dividing our sum of profit divided by our sum of sales. And for an example of how you would use this, if I want to create a bar chart, come in here, and if I put my parameter here, go to my y-axis, and then we're putting our margin percentage here. We see now that we have that. Our margin percentage is by segment. If I come in here and select region, we see our region changes, category, state, subcategory, and city. So this is one example of how you use parameter. The finished product looks like this. So again, if you're doing a Workout Wednesday challenge, this is what you're trying to recreate. So I already did it for you. Again, trying to push you all to do Workout Wednesday because it's a lot of great stuff. But here's how you do this. And if I select region, we see that region changes, category, state, subcategory, city. So it just works. It's awesome. It's fantastic. So check it out. If you haven't started using field parameters, there's a lot of cool stuff that you can do with it. And subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Sekou. And if you have any questions or comments about field parameters, hit me up. Otherwise, y'all have a great day and talk to y'all later.